In this video, we will discuss how to manage form data files. When you have a drop-down region on your form, the data can be populated in several ways. One of the most common ways is to use the form data file functionality native to the Field2Base application. Form data files are the Microsoft Excel files linked to your digital forms. The data in these files are used to populate the Datasource regions on your forms. You can change the data in these files, and the new data will be available in the Datasource regions on your forms. For more information on creating SQL Datasource regions that can pull data from these files into your forms, see the SQL Datasource regions article or video. Microsoft Access files can also be used with SQL Datasource regions. However, they can sometimes be too large, so we recommend using Excel files. It is also important to note that while CSV and TXT files will not work with the SQL Datasource regions, they can be used as external lists and mappings. The Form Data Files page in the portal allows you to manage the data files for your company's digital forms. You can view, upload, update, and delete files from this page. To view the form data files for your company, navigate to the Admin menu and select Form Data Files. From this page, you can view all of the form data files that have been uploaded to your company. You can click on any of the hyperlinked column headings to sort your data files. In the File Name column, you will find the name of the form data file. Associated Folder displays the folder associated with the form data file, if applicable. You can use folders to limit data file usage to the forms found in the associated folder and the users who have access to that folder. Last modified date refers to the date and time the form data file was last uploaded to the portal. The version column shows how many times a form data file has been uploaded. The Submitted By column shows the username of the last person to upload the form data file. Each form data file listed on this page has a Select an Action drop-down menu. Change Folder allows you to change the associated folder for the form data file. To change the folder for a particular form data file, select Change Folder from the Select an Action drop-down, select the new folder in the pop-up window, and click Submit. You can download a copy of the form data file to your PC so it can be opened in a local application, such as Microsoft Excel, in order to be viewed or updated. We recommend downloading any form data file that you need to update from this page to ensure that you are working with the correct version. Selecting the Traffic action will take you to a page that shows every device in the field that has downloaded the most recent version of the form data file. This feature is useful for ensuring that all of your users are using the most current version. If you have updated an existing form data file or you have created a new form data file, use the Upload File button to upload the current version to your company's portal so that your forms can pull in the latest data. Keep in mind that when updating and re-uploading an existing form data file, the file name needs to be an exact match in order to overwrite the existing data file and to update the data available in the forms. To upload a form data file, click on the Upload File button on the top right of the Form Data Files page. If you want to limit access of the form data file to users who have access to a specific folder, select a folder. If you need the data to be available in multiple forms spanning more than one folder, you should leave this set to company-wide. Next, click Choose File to open your file browser and select the file you want to upload. Once you have your file selected, click Upload. It is important to note that saved form drafts will not load the new data from an updated data file. Form drafts are meant to be a snapshot in time, with data remaining constant from when the form was initially started. Data from data files is maintained from the time when the form was started by design, so that the original data cannot be changed or possibly deleted if the data file is updated after a form has been filled out initially. Form data files can be deleted from the admin portal if they are no longer being used in a form. Deleting them from the portal means the data will no longer be accessible to any of your forms, and any SQL Datasource region dropdowns using this data will no longer work. To delete a form data file, click on the checkbox next to the file or files to be deleted and click on the Delete button. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to delete. Click Yes to finish deleting the file. For more information on the Field2Base portal, see the Using the Portal section of our Help Center at help.field2base.com.